27 Storm Track weather with meteorologist Blaze Keller.
Increasing clouds, staying cloudy for Saturday, and then the snow arrives. That's what we're tracking out here across southern Wisconsin. It's not going to be too bad of a day tomorrow. Very similar temperature-wise, just we're probably not going to see a whole lot of sun. Those clouds continue to move in out of the southwest. A wider view shows our next system is moving out of the desert southwest, obviously where that big L is, and it's going to be moving its way north and eastward, out ahead of it. Winter storm warnings in the pink to winter weather advisories there in the purple, extending all the way as far north as northern Missouri. We haven't gotten any sort of weather alerts. I can't imagine we will. This isn't going to be a heavy snowmaker here locally, but it is going to bring us a nice little fresh blanket of about an inch or two as we go to end the weekend. We got to 31 in Madison and Baraboo, couldn't even get into those 30s. Juneau, Reedsburg, Viroqua, everybody else kind of lingering right around 30, 31 degrees. So not too bad of a Black Friday here. Certainly cooler than the 153-year average, which I believe is about 37 degrees. So definitely cooler if you were out shopping today, and it's going to be cooler tomorrow as you're going to be shopping locally across southern Wisconsin. We're at 21 in Madison, 24 in Middleton, 21 in Mineral Point as well. Beginning to slip into those upper teens around Montello and Camp Douglas at this hour. Cloudy conditions can't really help us stay warm tonight. We're going to dip into those teens and 20s once again. Our average low should be right around 25 degrees for this time of year. So let's walk Feature Track into your Saturday. Again, it's going to be cloudy throughout most of the day, and we should stay dry. Southwesterly winds are slowly going to be moving that low northwards. Maybe by the late evening, early overnight hours into those early morning hours on Sunday, we begin to see that chance for some light snow and some flurries across the southwest, and then watch as more of southern Wisconsin sees that snow move throughout primarily the first half of the day on Sunday, and then a trailing cold front brings about some flurries as we head into the evening and overnight. Heaviest snow is going to stay off to our south and west, but we're still going to pick up on a little bit as this low tracks its way through mainly Illinois and Indiana, and then scoots its way back into the northeast as we end Sunday and go into Monday. In terms of snow, we're not looking at a big dump of snow, probably between 1 and 2 inches. That's kind of where our models are reaching a middle ground at. This was made earlier this evening. We're thinking many of us will probably pick up about a trace to an inch. Farther south and east, I think we had that better chance to get upwards of 2 inches of snow. Again, not a heavy snowmaker by any means. We're looking at 30s tomorrow underneath mostly cloudy conditions. Winds are going to be light and out of the southwest, so if you are going to be doing any shopping tomorrow, just make sure that you have that jacket with you, the gloves, and maybe a winter hat and scarf as well. Cooler to start off next week, especially if we do get that snow, and then maybe eyeing another chance for some flurries Wednesday and some mixed precip there as we end next week.